here's our lovely cabin. And we have, there's the fireplace back there. And we have a kitchen, don't we? In the kitchen we have pots and pans and a stove. Your sign, yeah. And let's see, what else is over here? There's the kitchen table. And this way, let's show the camera this side. Here's our bedroom. What's in our bedroom? This is Mommy and Daddy's bedroom. We have a closet. Another sign. How about that? This way, buddy. Come here. We have a shower, don't we? Show Mommy the shower. Can you go in it? Go in the shower. Are you taking a shower? Are you all clean?
Hopefully you don't run out of hot water like you did yesterday morning.
And then come show Mommy the bathroom. Show her how you can walk through the bathroom. You can, from one door to the other door. Cool. There's Mommy's big bathtub.
And I didn't have any water for.
Hey, can you go show Mommy your room?
Upstairs.
Upstairs. Look at those cool stairs. And what else is in your room, buddy? You've been playing with it and losing things in it all weekend.
See, we had chapstick in there and a Volkswagen.
And a semi.
What do you do with the balls?
It's right in here.
Are they?
What do you do with them?
I hide them.
Oh, yeah?
I hide them in everywhere.
Show Mommy your bed.
Or,
There's your bed.
Daddy,
Yeah, buddy.
it is my bed.
And what did you discover this afternoon on the wall?
Show Mommy the wall.
Right here. I just bumped it. See? Bonk it.
Oh, you won't put that over there. You show Daddy that.
What?
The switch. What's the switch do?
I
Right
do.
there.
Uh-huh. Turn off the light up here, babe. Hang on, buddy. Do it again. Oh. You found the closet switch.
I'm gonna hide.
Oh, okay. Go hide.
Daddy, you come find me.
Okay.
Where is that bear boy? Now, where did he go? Is he in the pool table?
No, in the closet.
Is he under the bed?
No, in the closet.
Daddy, I think that he might just be in...
He's under the curtains.
No, I'm in
I hear something over here, though. I'm going to turn on the switch. What is it? It's a bear boy!
We found him!
You were hiding. That was good hiding.
Is this a wonderful vacation, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Daddy.
I love you.
Hide.
I love you.
Daddy, you're gonna hide.
Oh, I'm going to hide next? Okay.
I love you. Bye.